Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do your own pedicure at home. As you all know, it is open toe season and my toes look so bad right now. It is time for a pedicure ASAP. So the first thing that we're going to do is clean the nails or your toenails with some acetone. You can also use some nail polish remover if that's what you have at home. This is just going to help have a clean slate and get rid of any old nail polish that you might have. The next step will be clipping your toenails to your desired length. I like to keep mine nice and short just because I think that it gives a clean look. And after you're done clipping your toenails, you can go ahead and file them down. Once you have filed your nails to the shape that you want, you're going to go ahead and grab a callus remover, and you can do this while your feet are wet after soaking, but I like to do this when my feet are dry just because I have more control. As you can see, this area of my foot really needs some help. This is going to smooth out your feet and get rid of all of that old dead skin that's been accumulating over the last few weeks, or like in my case, probably a month or so. Like I said, I like to remove the calluses before I soak my feet, and now that it's time to soak, I'm gonna go ahead and do that with some warm water for a few minutes. I didn't have any bath salt, so I just threw a bar of soap, which I feel works just fine if you don't have anything else at home. And this brush is what's going to exfoliate your feet. I like to go over all of the areas that I had filed down and also all over my toes and my entire foot, basically. So after you're done scrubbing your feet all over, you can rinse them out either in your shower or your bathtub like I did. And the next step is going to be to get rid of all of the dead skin on top of your nail. So we're going to start off and you'll be able to see here that dead skin is coming right off, which is kind of gross, but also satisfying at the same time. This is also going to help with pushing your cuticles back. So you're going to go ahead and do that with all of your feet. And I also recommend going underneath your nail to make sure that your nails are extra clean. When you're done doing that, you can grab your cuticle nippers. This isn't necessary, but I love doing this because it makes my pedicures look so much better and I feel like they last longer as well. And this is what your feet should look like. So now you can go ahead and moisturize with your favorite foot lotion or regular lotion, whatever you have at home will work just fine. And after you're done moisturizing, this is a super important step. I like to use some alcohol and just spray it on top of my nails. You can also use acetone if you'd like. This is just going to remove any buildup of that lotion that you might have, and it's going to help the nail polish adhere better to your nail. And now on to the fun part. We're going to start off with adding a base coat. This one is supposed to strengthen your nails, so I highly recommend you use this kind of base coat on your toenails and also your regular nails. It's just going to make your nail polish last longer. You can let your nail polish dry for a couple of minutes in between each coat. And after your base coat dries, you'll be ready for your color of choice. If you've seen my other videos on my manicure tutorial, you'll know that I love to work with the same technique, which is very thin layers. The first layer, don't worry if it doesn't look perfect because we can always go back and fix it. This technique will also speed up the drying process, which is always a plus. And this is what the first layer is going to look like. Like I said, not perfect, but the second layer is what's going to make it beautiful and the color is going to start popping through. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it because the nail polish is still fresh enough to be removed with a tool or with your own fingers. So go ahead and finish up the rest of your toes, and the last step is going to be to add a top coat. I got this clear coat from the dollar store as well. I love this brand. The Sally Hansen brand seems to work pretty well for me, so I've been using it for years. And as you can see here, my toes end up looking so nice. I absolutely love the results each time. Doing my pedicures at home has saved me so much money. I've been doing this for years. And yeah, so if you do decide to try this out, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time. Bye!